beauties! So today I am doing an unboxing video. This is going to be a part of my Girl Support Girls series. Hey guys, so what I do is I look for other girl bosses that are starting their business and I check them out and I purchase their products to support them. And so the person I'm supporting today is Gigi. Her business is Gigi Scrunchies. And so Gigi, she has sewed these scrunchies herself. And so she has these amazing patterns and designs and I love all of them. But I'm going to show you the ones I purchased. I made two purchases actually, but I'm going to show you my first one. So the first set is the Yas Queen set. And I think, and this is very pretty. I like it a lot. It's gold, bronze, and then the blue mixed in with purple. This is my second favorite one. The gold, and then the bronze is in here. I think that, okay, if it will cooperate. There. Also, I forgot to say, but I believe Gigi, she has a business card and a sticker inside of these, every single one you purchase. This is really cute. I like this a lot. The sticker and the business card. So this is the gold one, and this is the bronze, and then the blue and purple. I like this one out of the set. It's very pretty. The next set, the next one of the first purchase is money, money, money. And I believe every girl should have this that is a girl boss and is doing their own business. Because I mean, like, who doesn't want a scrunchie that's made of money? Go away, please. Okay guys, so the second purchase, I ordered more because she does these amazing designs and they're so cute and amazing. One of these in here is for my sister, and there's three of them in here, and one of them is for my sister, so let's check these out. So we have a blank pink one, and then like a rainbow one, if I can open this. So this one is for my sister. And then this is a tie-dye rainbow. Okay guys, to show you again, this is my Gigi scrunchie collection, and I know I'm gonna get more. So I have gold. Okay guys, so this was the first unboxing of my series Girl Support Girls. There is definitely gonna be more to come. So if you want to check out Gigi Scrunchies, I will put a link down below. Don't forget to go check her out on Instagram. There's definitely gonna be a link down below if you want to purchase any of her scrunchies. And today's positive message is, if you have a business idea, go for it. Don't think about how it's gonna happen. Don't think about like how you're gonna do it or what's gonna happen. Just go for it. You don't really know what's gonna happen in the future until you try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash the bell. Bye!